Motorola One Hyper comes as the mid-range budget, offering a wide range of features. It can deliver seamless performance without any issues, while the battery can keep the device active all day long. There is fast charging support. It comes with an excellent set of cameras, massive internal storage and immersive display, along with a pop-up selfie mechanism that adds style to the looks. However, it lacks screen protection, which can be considered as a downfall. Excellent handset in mid-range display and camera. Motorola One Hyper comes with a 6.4-inch IPS LCD display having a screen resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels along with a pixel density of 403 ppi. The display is completely bezel-less, which means there is no notch, thus resulted in a pop-up selfie camera. In terms of optics, the front camera features a 3.2 MP lens which produces some amazing pictures, while the rear camera has 6.4 MP and 8 MP lenses that can take pictures with as low as f1.8 aperture. Configuration and battery. Motorola One Hyper is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 675, which is known for its efficient performance. There is an octa-core processor that offers up to 2 GHz clock speed. On the other hand, Adreno 612 GPU looks after the graphical performance, while 4 GB RAM ensures gaming and multitasking part of the device. To run the smartphone, there is a Li-ion battery that has up to 4000 mAh capacity. It can power the device for a long time. It also gets turbo power fast charging support that can refill the battery in a short duration. Storage and connectivity. Motorola One Hyper houses a 128 GB internal memory which can keep a lot of files and data of the users. It also comes with an external memory slot that supports up to 512 GB with the help of a micro SD card. For connectivity, the smartphone comes with 4G VoLTE support, Wi-Fi 802.11 B/g/N, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth, GPS with a GPS, USB Type-C, etc. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.